Ola Bafwetu. It's your boy Verbal Ganger, and what I'm going to do right now, I just wanna show you fundamental trading new traders, how to begin trading fundamental news. So what I'm going to do right now, I will just enter, as I don't have an app, I will enter Google. I don't have investing.com app, so I'm going to show you how to use investing.com. So I did enter investing.com. Hopefully, yeah, it doesn't take too long. You see what is the main view of the investing.com home. So I'll just click on the calendar. Yeah, so it shows me, as you can see, it says yesterday news, today news, tomorrow news, and it has this week news and the next week news. So what are we going to do now? I just want to show you this thing. You see under the advert there's filters. Filters, you click filters. Make sure that you deal with the set importance. At the top is select countries. It must be on default, just leave it like that, and then you get to set importance. Where you set importance, some of you you will find low, medium being ticked. As you can see, sorry, I just don't want to click this thing, just want to put it at the top, and then you will see low is, yeah, we will find it like this. So when it's like this, just see what is happening here. I will just go back to the calendar. As you can see here, the heads of the cow or a cattle or a bull, they call it a bull, I mean, there's a low volatility expected, and the moderate volatility expected, high volatility expected. So we're going to focus on high volatility expected. So when you click on your filter, you must only tick high, only high. Don't tick the medium and the low. So as it's like that, and then you're gonna click this one. This one says restore to default, so you mustn't do so. You must leave it like that and go back. So it will show you 3 heads of bulls, which means is high volatility expected, impact, high impact news. So what you're going to do right now, you just going to follow this news. So let me just go to this week and click this week, and then on this week it will show you Monday we had CNY, which is China interest rate, and then Tuesday we had core retail sales of CAT yesterday 2:30, and then even existing home sales US. So this one is USD. USD means United States dollar. As you can see the flag. So based on the time, we trade on the time. When you want to trade news, you trade before the time. If it says, let's say crude oil inventories is 4:30, so you have to make sure that you get into the market by 4:25 based on the USD currency pair. So just what I have for you for now until you make the payments. After your payments, I will continue to meta trade and show you how we trade news based on this calendar. Right, that's your boy Verbal Ganger. Just follow me on YouTube. It's Verbal Ganger. Verbal Ganger, just subscribe and hit the thumbs up. I'm signing out right now.